Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about the Yamaha FZ25 Monster Edition, which is recently launched in India. We will talk about what all features we get in this bike. So if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, make sure you do subscribe. So without further delay, let's start the video. So in this Monster Edition we get some graphics and some new colors which really looks great on the bike. So starting from the front, here we get the DRL with the projector headlamp, and the brightness is quite great of the projector headlamp. Here we get the windscreen, so it will protect you from the wind blast on the higher speeds. On the side of the headlamp we get the graphics and the sticker of Yamaha Lube. On the right and left side, both sides we get this graphic and sticker. On the mudguard we get the Monster sticker in the green color with the Yamaha branding. So in the front we get the Yamaha branding on the front suspension, front shock ups. So in the front we get 100 by 80 section 17 inches of tubeless tire. This bike comes with the dual channel ABS. On the front fender we get the ABS sticker as well. Coming towards the left, on the fuel tank we get the Yamaha logo in the golden color, which really looks premium. Also we get the FZ25 sticker. Below that we get some graphics as well as Ineos sticker on the extended part. So now talking about the engine of this bike, so this bike comes with the 249cc of engine, which will generate 20.8 PS of power with the 20.1 Nm of torque. We also get the engine cowl below, and we don't get any kind of graphics on the engine cowl. This bike comes with the 5-speed gearbox. We don't get any kind of quick shifter in this bike. So in the middle part we get the Monster Energy sticker as well as the Yamaha's Blue Core branding. So in the rear we get the Sari guard as well as we get the tire hugger with this bike. This bike comes with the open chase system, so you have to clean and lube the chain of the bike. In the rear we get the LED tail lamp with the bulb indicators. You can add LED indicators as an accessory. This is the right side profile view of Yamaha FZ25. In the rear we get 140 by 70 section 17 inches of tubeless tires. In the rear also we get the disc. As I mentioned, this bike comes with the dual channel ABS. The silencer of this bike looks really cute, and the silencer guard we get in the silver color. In the right side also we get the Monster Energy sticker, and in this bike we don't get any kind of kick option. We only get the self start option to start the bike, and that green color graphics looks really great. Talking about the instrument console, we get the fully digital negative display instrument console in this bike. Now talking about the buttons on the handlebar, we get the light on off, low beam, high beam, indicator and horn button on the left side, and on the right side we get the engine's kill switch with the self start button. We get 14 liters of fuel tank in this bike, and you will get the mileage around 40 to 45 kmpl. So roughly you will get around 600 kilometers of kilometer range. So now talking about the seat, in this bike we get the split seat, and the rider's seat is quite spacious. Now talking about the cushioning, the cushioning is on the harder side for the rider's seat as well as for the pillion seat. The pillion seat is not that comfortable for the long touring, and it is quite small is what I felt. So guys, the on-road price of the Yamaha FZ25 is around 1.60 lakhs. This may get vary according to state. This MotoGP edition model is 2000 rupees expensive than the normal FZ25. So guys, if you like this video, make sure you do hit the like button and do subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. So we will meet in the next video with the new bike and the new information. So till then, thanks for watching.